If you want to edit a picture on Pixellab, just import it like this. Here is it. Now you go to this setting, color filters, click on the picture and select color filters. Now hue is working for how the picture will look. Is it going to be green, red? You see, if you want to turn your image to green, something like this, then the saturation, how you want it to be. Can you see saturation, how you want it to be? So if you want to restore your color, you can click on this middle option here. It will return back to the normal. But if you want to select and edit your picture, you can just adjust the hue, saturation, brightness, and contrast, something like this. Can you see? Let's use the second one as well. If you want to turn it to black and white, if you want to turn an image to black and white, just reduce the saturation to -100 and adjust the brightness.